Just thought I'd give a little tip to anyone who has ever tried to get these fuel line fittings off. They're a pain in the neck if you don't have the right tool. And if you're like me, you may not have known what the right tool was. I know on previous conversions we didn't need them, so we just cut the lines. But in this case, we actually want them. So we actually went down the road and we bought a set of these. So these are the actual, one of the types of tools you can get for getting them off. And it actually makes it really quite easy. You pick one that's the right size, you clip it over the line, squish it in, and then slide your fuel hose off. That easy. So there you go. You need to get yourself a set of these. They weren't very expensive. I think they were $26 fuel line disconnect tools. Anyway, just a little tip.